A little parrot. It was just around here. Oh my god. Oh, hi, baby. You guys see? Hi, I can see you. So cute, isn't it? You know, on that tree, oopsie, sorry. On that tree, right there are so many parrots. I wish I could show you guys, but their color is just like the trees. So, you know, it's almost impossible to spot them. Let's see, spot some. They sure are speaking so much today. Nope. Oopsie. Look. Oh. So cute. You guys are so cute. You know, this tree is really, really, really steep. So it's very safe for them, you know. Nobody can reach them and catch them, thankfully. But they're also protected by law, you know. So I am one of the people who always report if I see them, you know, inside the cages. So I report, and then the police comes and take them away back to nature. Yeah, that's so cool. Hi, baby. I can see you, baby. Hi, another one. Oh my gosh. Hi, baby. Oh. They are such beautiful creatures. Okay, bye.